we've been received very well. We have enjoyed this place. This was a nice venture. Unlike the many other places that you sent me, Nakasongo and Lucia Tiagas, this has been a different experience. I think you should be sending me to diaspora activities when you are. And more specifically, if you have anything else that you wanted to do, I hear you are supposed to be here for a month. So if there are things that will be outstanding, you can send me next week. It's not a problem. I'll come and represent you next week. It has been a very, very good experience. Only that I have to go back because it is not appropriate that the general is not there and those of us who are his lieutenants are not also there. Kasongo anaweza kunaona na wiki moja, so wacha sisi turudi nyumbani. I'll go back before you so that at least mimi niende nisukume. Lakini all of you have actually heard that I was very moderate in Olkalau. You've been told by His Excellency the Deputy President I was very moderate. I was extremely moderate. That's how moderate I was. Nilikuwa nimekatwa pembe kabisa na nilikuwa nimekatwa makucha kabisa. I was told to be very, 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 very moderate. And I was extremely moderate. That's why I was speaking very politely. No, very politely. Unajua naambia mtu wewe na mimi nakuheshimu kama mzazi. Mimi nakuheshimu kama commander in chief. Mimi nakuheshimu. That's very, very polite. Sio ni polite sana. Maybe just one comment I would want to make, Your Excellency. And I have heard you and the vision that you have. Having worked with you the entire journey, when you're in office and when you left office. First, one of the reasons why I will always be behind you is because you had an opportunity of choosing comfort and remaining as the Deputy President and join the oppressor and continue oppressing the people of Kenya. But you made a very deliberate choice of standing with the people of Kenya. For that one reason, I'll always be your supporter, even if everybody else will leave your line. Because you chose to remain with the people of Kenya. And I can tell you for sure, at least I have been with him. I know him. Everything that he has said, he doesn't promise things that he cannot be able to fulfill. Just one more comment, Your Excellency. I've heard you say that once we beat William Ruto with 5 million votes, he will go home to Sugoi. Much as I want to agree with you, much as I want him to go to Sugoi, I think this is why I want you to allow me. If you allow him to just go to Sugoi, it will take you so many years to recover the economy. Please allow us to follow him. Allow us to follow him. Before he gets to Sugoi, let us see what we can salvage. Because let me tell you, Your Excellency, I was here on Wednesday, I think, and I went to watch a game, Arsenal versus West Ham United. It was in the London Stadium, a magnificent stadium, a beautiful stadium. I was there, I was present. Hii inasema mambo ya ground, niliona, nilisikia na nikajionea. And that stadium, magnificent as it is, beautiful as it is, I've seen that it is costing 30 billion, it costed 30 billion less what we are building in Nairobi, the Talanta Hera Stadium. Honestly, if you allow William Ruto to go to Sugoi, we can't be able to recover the economy. Allow me, nipatie kazi kidogo, Your Excellency. Wewe ukiwa rais, unifanye minister yako ya interior wiki mbili, mimi nifunga hii mtu ndani kwa sababu hii mtu akienda na hii pesa, Kenya hautaweza kuamsha hii Kenya. Surely there is no way Talanta Hera can cost 101 billion. For the next 15 years, we'll be paying interest alone, 500 million every month from the pockets of the poor of Kenya. This guy cannot go to Sugoi. This guy does not belong to Sugoi. In fact, hata watu wa Sugoi watasikia vibaya sana. Nyinyi mnashika mwizi baada mweka jela mnaleta nyumbani hapa. Hakuna jela inajulikana Sugoi. Kuna jela Sugoi? Hawana, hii mtu acha tusipeleke Sugoi unless apateko mahali ingine.
Nikashagwa.
Impeached or not, our law, the law of Kenya, allows him to run as long as he has not exhausted all avenues that are available, all remedies that are available in law to overturn his unlawful impeachment. You all saw how the case was going. You all know that he was impeached unfairly. You all know that there was no ground. You all know that that case, even in the court of public opinion, that case is bound to fail. You all know that. Even if William Ruto was to bribe the judges at the High Court, we still go for another 1 year at the Court of Appeal. Even if he bribes the judges at the Court of Appeal, we will now be in 20, you have said it's 15 months. So 1 year is 12 months. So we'll be remaining with 3 months. We will go to Supreme Court. So you run, then you'll be president, and then you'll be fighting the impeachment when you're already president. So anybody who actually, even them, they went to the ICC. They went to the ICC, not even Nairobi. They went to the ICC at The Hague. So anybody who wants to tell us that Niugathii Gachagua will not be on the ballot is a person who just wants to dissuade us and persuade us for nothing. Because they actually know. And I want you to measure. And I don't want to badmouth the other people that we are with. I support all of them. When Niugathii Gachagua is with you in the UK, things will be very quiet there. That's why we have to release him in at least 1 week. We can give you for 1 week, not more than a week. Because the rest of us will be remaining in Nairobi. We wait for Niugathii Gachagua to come and help us kurumisha hiyo gari ya opposition. So, msiweke engine yetu ya opposition hapa, mtuachie body huko Nairobi. So, mtupatie engine yetu turudi naye. Sasa kama ndio engine inaweza endesha opposition, mnajua ndio engine inaweza endesha Kenya, na ndio engine inaweza enda pale mbele, and maybe finally, hata hesabu, unajua mimi sijui hesabu sana. Lakini, najua mahali mimi natoka na Niugathii Gachagua natoka, watu ambao wanaongea kama huyu Mreu, wanaongea Terere, walipatia William Ruto kura 3.5 million. Wakapatia huyu mwingine 1.2 million. So Niugathii Gachagua tayari yako na kura milioni 5. Sasa mtu wa milioni 5, tunajua yeye ameongoza na tunataka kura milioni 8. Si mtu wa milioni 5 ndiye anaanza ongezewa 3 kuliko mtu wa 3 kuongezewa milioni 5. Sasa hiyo si hesabu inaenda sawa sawa. So me, I will not say anything more than that. Thank you very much. I'm so grateful. Your Excellency, I have not spent money on dinner since I came. The first day, I think we went to David Kimani's house to tukapatiwa barbecue. Then the next day, we went to Mureithe's house to tukapatiwa barbecue. I think then we were hosted by another Luo lady who is one time ndani kabisa, hata mimi nashangaa hii mtu atatoa kura wapi. Anaitwa Catherine Omolo. Yeye na yeye akatupatia barbecue. I have been fed here. The only thing that I will say when I go home, Lucy, is that unfortunately, since I came, I've been given Kenyan food, because you are calling Kenyan community, but all of you are very warm, and I am very, very grateful. Mareke gure mugathana ti ukuhenia. Ukikaga na safari ka gure da gutumana. Ni mafio ni deho ya tonu ni tuhuragwo kuria muno na ni ni ndu na ni ndira ini ya mbere ya aria mahuragwo muno ndakuhoya mugathe ukikaga thabari ka ngwenda gutumana kana ona ugikona rigi ndurenda gugitumana no nginya uke ona kabau heira ukukwira ka mundu wiro wa guka murimo we kundu guku makundu guku nikio kwiragwo ni murimo kundu guku ni kwega muno, Your Excellency. Gwiciria mimi nitaenda nyumbani as you've sent as you asked of me and the Honorable Wanjiku Muya. And we shall ensure that we deliver that all across it. We shall ensure, because those are our people. We are very confident that they will not let you down. And will not let the people of Kenya down. Because that will be the starting point of the journey to Sugoi. We shall ensure that journey will be smooth and we will accelerate the speed. The speed is already at 120. We want to take it to 180. Lakini Your Excellency, nikisha deliver, unaweza nituma hiyo kazi ya UK itabaki unitume mwezi wa 7 nikuje hapa ndio nimalizie hapa. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much. God bless you.